respected group director sir, HOD ma'am, respected faculties, my seniors and all my dear friends. My name is Pratiksha Gaur from B.Pharm first sem, and I am very honored that I have an opportunity to explain respiratory system in front of you. So, respiratory system. When cell utilizes oxygen for metabolism and produces energy and carbon dioxide. Respiratory system is divided into two parts, breathing and respiration. Respiratory system starts from nasal cavity, oral buccal cavity, pharynx, nasopharynx, oropharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, then bronchioles. Bronchioles is divided into primary, secondary and tertiary bronchioles, and then alveoli. So, breathing. Breathing is divided into two parts, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation, when we take in the air. So, it has a inhalation and expiration. Inhalation and exhalation have a phenomena which is dependent on air pressure. So, air pressure is generated like this. For example, these two red balloons are our lungs. So, when this dome-shaped diaphragm is flattened, automatically the air filled inside the balloon. Whereas this flattened diaphragm, when comes flattened, so air expelled out from the lungs. The air moves from nasal cavity, oral cavity, and as we know, the alveoli are the where the exchange of gases takes place. So it works accordingly like this.
Very good.
The exchange of gases took place because of the difference in partial pressure. The partial pressure of oxygen in air is 155 mm of Hg and 0.3 of CO2, and inside our lungs the partial pressure of oxygen is 104 mm of Hg, whereof CO2 is 40 mm of Hg. As we know, the oxygen travels from blood, and alveoli is the center where exchange of gases took place. So when oxygen comes inside of blood, it's transported by the help of hemoglobin. One hemoglobin takes 4 molecules of oxygen, and 97% of oxygen is traveled by RBCs, whereas 3% is traveled by the plasma. 70% of carbon dioxide travels by bicarbonate, and 20 to 25% travels with the help of RBCs, and remaining 7% travel with blood plasma. Here a very special phenomena occurs, buffer solution. Buffer solution, it helps maintain the pH of blood to 7.4. If it comes to 7.35, then it becomes acidic and can cause many diseases in our body. There are several respiratory diseases that occurs in our body if anything occurs in our respiratory system. For example, asthma. Asthma is a disease where bronchi and bronchioles gets affected. And as we know, we are taking inhalers for asthma, and this inhalers helps in the relief in bronchi and bronchioles. For example, and then another disease is emphysema. Those who are smoking cigarettes, they cause the disease of emphysema, where alveoli is affected. The wall of alveoli becomes smaller, and it can't exchange the gas. The next disease is occupational respiratory disorder, silicolysis, which where when a person or laborers are working in factories or mines, then many dust particles they inhale and accumulate inside the alveoli region. So this is all about respiratory system. Thank you for listening.